If you've been looking at wordmindglow.com, you're probably asking the same question I had. Is it actually legit? Or is it just another website making big promises? Let's find out. I spent some time looking into wordmindglow.com to see what it offers. At first glance, the website looks clean and professional. It explains its services clearly and tries to build trust with visitors. But that's never enough for me. Whenever I review a website, I always check a few important things. I look for company information, customer reviews, contact details, refund policies, and overall transparency. These details can tell you a lot about whether a website deserves your money. With wordmindglow.com, there are a few positive signs. However, it's still important to do your own research before buying anything. Read the terms carefully. Check if there are recent customer experiences online. And never rush into making a purchase just because of marketing claims. I also recommend using a secure payment method. That gives you an extra layer of protection if something doesn't go as expected. So, is wordmindglow.com legit? From what I found, I wouldn't immediately call it a scam. But I also wouldn't tell you to buy without doing a little homework first. There simply isn't enough evidence to say it's perfect, and every online purchase comes with some level of risk. My advice is simple. Take your time. Compare it with similar services. Read genuine customer feedback. And only spend money if you're comfortable with what you find.